Hello everyone, welcome to Cynthia Montana channel. Now I'm gonna talk about ATA price prediction. So before I started, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just gonna give you some prediction using a technical analysis. So now for the ATA per USDT pair, so it's already having correction like previous going so up, right? Like it's already first day going so up and now having a correction to close the green bar here, right? If the price is still like slightly above moving average 7 on the 1.455 US dollar, then still having opportunity to go up. But if they break that point, then you can enter the market slightly on the purple one here until the pink one side 1.13 until 1.26. As a stochastic still on the natural position. For the Bollinger Band here is already break the upper band. So the next move is to close the green bar here on the pink one side 1.28, right? Next one, from the 4-hour chart, we're gonna go to the daily chart, basically going first to the upper band 1.487 US dollar, right? And basically we're gonna see on the moving average still far away from the all of the moving average. But if you want to entry, then you can wait and see first and entry 1.12 until 1.15, right? Thank you everyone for watching this video. RSI stochastic still on the natural position. Thank you everyone. Bye.